So today's video is all about fair value gaps. So this will be a two-part video. First video, I'm just gonna tell what is fair value gaps and what are the types of fair value gaps. And in the next video, we're gonna learn how to plot it in the graph. So first video is it's gonna be a short video, guys. So I told you first about rules of market in the previous video. I told you the first rule and now the second rule of the market. If you guys haven't seen the first rule, go and watch the previous videos so that you will get to know what is the first rule. So the second rule of the market, write it down. Mark Market tends to fill imbalances. So market always tends to fill imbalances. So what just know about it now. So I'm going to teach you what is a fair value gap. So fair value gap is a three candlestick pattern. Okay. This will be the first candlestick. The second candlestick will give a big move, like a long candlestick. And the third candlestick will be like this. So we just mark the space in between the candles. See the first, you should also consider the wick. Wherever the wick is, you shouldn't mark it on top. It should be inside the wick. See, inside, it should be inside. This is basically what a fair value gap is. So this is so easy. See, another example. So this, see what happens? There is a, there is no wick. Okay, I wrote there is no wick. If you don't have any wick, then this entire thing is a fair value gap. There is a small wick over here. So yeah, this is called as a fair value gap. So these candles, the big candles, are also called as imbalance candle. So the market always has a tendency to fill these kind of imbalance. Okay, we're going to show that in the live example in the next video. I'm going to make it as a two-part video because important concepts, I will usually do that, I guess. So yeah, and then there are different types of fair value gap. So one is bullish fair value gap, and the other one is bearish fair value gap. So bullish fair value gap happens in a uptrending market. So if there is a long, candle like the previous one which I showed, three candlestick pattern like I showed, this one, and then there is something like this, and then there's something like this. It is what is happening, okay, guys. So there is a fair value gap in an uptrending market like this. So what it does is, okay, I should keep the candle the other side. What am I doing? Yeah. What it does is, this is also called as a breakaway gap. But yeah, usually it will be small like this. Okay. I mean, you guys understood, right? So this is a gap which is there when an uptrending market was happening. So the market will come down and fill this completely and trade there efficiently and go up. Similarly, there's a gap over here when a candle in a fair value gap, so it fills and go down. So bullish fair value gap is like you can enter in the fair value gap in for long positions like this. Okay, you can keep the stop loss inside this the fair value gap also. Some people enter like that. So this is a confluence, one of the confluence we are going to use with liquidity sweep and breakup structure so that our entries are proper. Okay, guys. So this is a bullish fair value gap, and bearish fair value gap will come and tap and go down. That's all. That's all you guys need to know. So this is a short video. So tomorrow I will come and teach you. I'll come and show you the live graph examples. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. Bye bye.